How to create production ad units for iOS as well. So first go to Google AdMob, sign up, then click on apps, click add app, iOS. My app is not listed on App Store yet. Click continue, just give some name, I don't know, level. Click add app, and once that is done, click on done. Then you will have to click on create ad unit, and here we are doing it for rewarded interstitial. Then here you can enter whatever reward amount you want once the user has finished watching the ads. So I'll just clip it as 1, and here I will give some name, I don't know, level I guess. Click create ad unit, and here you can copy this ad units in your production code. Once you are ready for deployment, while testing, use the test IDs only. Then click on done over here, and so if you have deployed your app to App Store, you can link your app. So just go to app settings, and here you can click on add, search for your app, and then you can link it. In today's video I will show you how to display rewarded interstitial ads for your native iOS application. So here you can see that I have just started running my app, and I have just one button, and I get a callback once the ad has successfully loaded. I don't know why I keep getting this issue. Like, I think there is some bug with Xcode, I guess, for this particular version. Yeah, it does take some time to load, but it is kind of similar to rewarded ads. Here at the bottom you can see I am getting all this logs. So here you can see the ad has been loaded. Now if I click on one button, here you can see the ad has started playing, and once the user keep an eye on the console, once the user has finished watching the ad, he will be rewarded. So here you can see 10 was the reward amounts because the user has finished watching the ads. So yeah, that's what it is, like very similar to rewarded ads, but I think yeah, let's get started. So first, as usual, I will be following the documentation. So first, you can either use CocoaPods or you can use Swift Package Manager. I am using Swift Package Manager because that is easier one. Just copy this link. All you have to do is file, add package dependency, and here you can just paste that dependency and just click on add package. Once that is done, you will have to add this -objc to your build settings as well. So go to over here, go to targets, your app, go select build settings, search for other linker flags, and here you will have to add -objc oncr capital. Next you will have to update your info.plist, and as you can see over here, I am just using this first one, this identifier, and I am just using this first one. This belongs to Google. There are other ad network identifiers as well. If you want, you can use it. If you want to know which one belongs to whom, then you can just select select third party buyers as well. Okay, let's see what's, so if you see my info.plist, so here you can see I have added this. Okay, next we have to initialize the mobile ads SDK. So first we have to copy paste this code, as well as we have to copy paste this code. So if you go to my app delegate, I have added this mobile ads SDK, as well as I have added this bit of code over here as well. Next we have to implement a rewarded ad. So I'll just click over here, and inside over here you will have to create this rewarded interstitial, and here you have to first import Google mobile ads, as well as you have to load the interstitial ad, and this is a test ad unit ID. For deployment, change it with your production ad unit ID. So if you see inside view controller, I have added this rewarded interstitial ID, and I am loading it over here as well. And I have also added this full screen control delegate and implementing this GAD full screen delegate. I have also created one button which will help us to show the ad. So if you see over here, like, I'm not sure about this server side verification stuff, but if you know, do let me know in the comments. So here you can see they have done the same thing, added this full screen content delegate, implemented this, and you have to override all these methods, which I have also done. If you are if you want, you can write your own implementation in all these methods as well, if you want to track once the ad has been dismissed or not, all that kind of stuff. And here you can see so here the ad has been loaded correctly, and once, if you see on button tab, I'm just calling the show method, and if the ad wasn't ready, I'm just printing it to the console. Otherwise I am displaying an error message. I'm displaying the actual interstitial ad, rewarded interstitial ad, and once the user has finished watching it, you will get the amount over here. So yeah, pretty simple. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.